sixth grade. Miss Charles here with Something in the Dark Part 2. Part 2. Remember, in the beginning, we start together and we don't split pill creatures. Let's get started. Walking late one chilly eve in a dark and lonely wood, I spied beneath the blackened leaves something close to where I stood. Creatures in the night, man or beast I could not see. Stay out of sight, I stayed hidden in the trees. Oh, where is the moonlight? Oh, I cannot see. Oh, bring on the morning. Oh, what can it be? Oh, what can it be? The spectre caught my scent, gazing looked to where I stood, the place I went, but he never really could. Oh, where is the moonlight? Oh, I cannot see. Oh, bring on the morning. Oh, what can it be? Oh, what can it be? What's that in my ear? Like a banshee when she screams. Could this be happening? Or perhaps just in my dreams. There you go. Remember, dreams is 5 beats with the Z on 6. Happy practicing!